What's poppin', party people? We got us a little horned wormy here. Getting nice and fat. Eating the potato. Whoops. He will be bearded dragon food tomorrow. When we first got him, her, whatever this is, it was about as big as that little piece of plastic there that they got in there. Now you can see how much bigger that fucker is. Oh, there he goes, shitting again. Constantly shitting, eating on that potato. Has not stopped. Anyway, nice fat juicy worm for the beard. He says good night. He'll eat you tomorrow. Stay shiny.